Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world to me. So in today's video we're just going to be talking about a couple of products of Friendmail that I've received. Now one of them I did receive quite a while ago, but I just never spoke about it. So yeah, we're going to talk about it now. So we'll talk about that first. Now I'd wanted to try this for a while, and when I went to look for it, it was out of stock, so I just didn't pick it up. So it's the, what is this called? Oh yeah, the Kama Cosmetics Cruelty Free Beauty Glistening Pigment Mix. So that's the box, and Lisa kindly bought me this from Banning, Panning and Beyond. I've already tried it out. You can see I've already been using it, and it's really good, guys. I really like it. I am going to be using it in an upcoming video where we're going to be using the Kama Cosmetics Chameleon Flakes that I've got. So yeah, I think the one I've got left now is Atlantis, so I'm going to try and use that, maybe over some green eyeshadow. But yeah, I'm really appreciative to have this, so thank you, Lisa. And then I got some Friendmail from Chrissy at creative_I. She was very sneaky, very naughty. She said something might be turning up. I accidentally put something in my basket, and I'm like, how can you accidentally order something for someone? But I really do appreciate it. I was actually looking at this palette a few days prior to it being delivered to my house. I thought to myself, well, if I get it, the shipping will be half the price of the palette, so it's not really worth it, and I'll get it when I'm going to order something else. So it comes in a really nice pastel box like that. It's really pretty, guys. I'm gonna be doing swatches on it, of course, you know me, but that's what it looks like. Again, it's just really pretty. And it's got the most amazing pastel mattes in it, I think. Look at that. Now Chrissy has this palette and she's hit pan on a lot of her shades, and I'm like in awe. I'm like, you've hit pan. It looks like it's a very well used palette. I'm really going to treasure this one, so yeah, it's going to go into my collection. I wanted to show it you now, so yeah, I just wanted to jump on and show you what I was kindly gifted by Lisa and Chrissy. I thought I would do a joint video for their Friendmail. If you've not checked them out by some miracle, especially Lisa, because she has had a channel for a while, if you've not checked her out, please go ahead and check her out. I'll leave both channels in the description box below. So again, she's called Banning, Panning and Beyond, her channel, and Chrissy is called creative_I, but creative is spelled with 2 T's. But again, I'm also going to have the link down below for that. So we're going to end the video here, guys. Like I said, it's a really short video. I just wanted to come on camera just to say how appreciative I am of the Friendmail that I get. I absolutely love my friends to pieces that I've made on YouTube so far. They are absolutely amazing. They don't need to give me anything. They're just such beautiful people inside and out. I really do appreciate them so much. I love our conversations that we have, so you all know who you are. But yeah, you're absolutely amazing ladies, and I feel so blessed to know you. Even if it is through the YouTube community that we've met, I do feel like I know you on a personal level now. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. Please like, comment, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.